Welcome back to the Rose YouTube channel. Today we have a customer that's asked us to price up a brand new roof because the main dealer have said that she needs a whole new roof. So if you come over here, I'm going to show you why they've said this. Now, as you can see, the roof's not tucking on the side. This is going to be on both sides. Unfortunately, at the main dealer, they don't know how to repair things. They know how to diagnose things and replace, but they don't like to repair. So if you went to a main dealer, you'd have to replace the whole roof to eliminate this issue. I'm going to show you exactly why this problem is occurring. Right, so if you come over, look over here, you can see here there used to be an elastic strap, and that elastic strap attaches to the frame. And then when the roof is shutting, what happens is it pulls the elastic, pulls this in, and then it tucks behind you. So what you've got is this over here, one on the other side, and because of that, main dealer want to replace the whole roof. Can you believe it? So what we're going to do now is we're going to replace the straps, see how it goes. Let's see if we can save this customer some money. If you have a look on this side, the strap is actually still connected, but the elastic is just going to be completely worn. So it won't be pulling the roof in on this side, but then also you've got this elastic, which is adjustable. But look at the condition of that. You can't adjust that anymore. So what we're going to do is replace this elastic as well. And I think everything's going to be fine thereafter. So what we've done is we've replaced the straps. If you come in and have a look over here, you can see here the strap's been replaced. Over there, we fitted one over here. We've done this on both sides, but the test is going to be now when we close the roof. Let's close the roof and let's see if it tucks in. Look at that. It's all tucked in, all on its own, and that's why we replace those elastic straps. Thank you for watching the Rose YouTube channel. This is exactly why you should use a Porsche specialist and not go to a main dealer. We've just saved the customer a bunch of money. So please subscribe and see you on the next video.